a very magical moments. The doors of happiness is opening up for you. You will be in wonder and in awe with the opportunity opening up for you. Enjoy the simple things. Don't overthink. Be in the present and it aligns the goals you need to be in your favor. So enjoy the simple things because you deserve an emotional comfort, a stability in your peace, and a stability in your prosperity. A good news, a stronger bonds, recognition, good peaceful environment, and a relaxation time is ahead. And affirm, a magical moment is coming my way. I'm very excited to receive it with all the Archangel's blessings.